It's my favorite time of the day. Rdww time. Let's read the problem. Follow along. 13 dogs want to ride the doggy train, but there are only 10 seats. How many dogs will get left behind? Oh, let's see if we understand this right. We have some dogs. There are only 10 seats. Oh, some are going to get left behind. When you draw those dogs, make sure you draw them the math way and put them in 5 groups. That'll help you really see your 10 seats. You're going to write a number sentence that goes along with your math strategy. Write the answer to the question, how many dogs will get left behind? When you make your seesaw video, you need to justify your answer. That means explain it and let us know how you know you are right.